How do I keep my heart open in a world that to me often feels so harsh? People can be prickly and situations can be challenging. It's not easy for me to be aware and to feel and to be fully present with my emotions. It's hard to feel anger and sadness, and I get a great sense of guilt that I should just be grateful to be alive, and I end up abandoning those parts of me that so desperately want to be heard. Where is the solution in all of this? I think it's a process. I think it's the journey of a lifetime. It's finding connections with people who understand and can relate. For me personally, working with a therapist and finding recovery groups and literally just taking day by day, sometimes hour by hour, sometimes minute by minute, and trying to be as gentle with myself as possible, while there's that critical part of me that just wants me to get over it all and move on. But I don't want to abandon parts of me anymore. I want to be there for myself and be sad and be mad and feel it. So if this resonates with you, I feel you. My heart aches for you too. Let's do this one day at a time. Easy does it. There's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with me. We're just experiencing life in our own special way, and we still deserve love, respect, and validation. I send you a big hug and wish you a wonderful day.